Not just emergency responders and road crews that are preparing for the winter event, everyone else is as well. Many people took to the grocery stores today to buy what items they needed before they hunker down for the weekend. That includes essentials, things like milk, bread, eggs, beef, potatoes. For those planning on getting the essential items tomorrow, grocers ask customers to be patient.
It's a challenging time for everyone. Everybody's wanting to get in, get out, get home, and we completely understand that because we take our responsibility as being the food provider, for our customers.
Bishop adds that weather elsewhere may impact the stock that comes in for the next few days. And for anyone looking to brave the weather, Food City says they will still be open during the snowfall.